Hey, it's me again. Don't worry about what my name is. I don't think it's the correct name for me anyway, so we'll call me me. Or call someone famous. Maybe I'll get lucky. Today I have this morning I was signing up for some affiliate websites for the Ledger Nano S, the Ledger Nano X on Ledger.com, and I used my dynamic submission software, which is pretty cool. I have video on it. And it's pretty neat. I just submit my my link, my LPAL links, and my Ledger.com links. I also have an affiliate membership at LPAL. And I use these to submit to the major search engines. It does about almost 1,000 search engines. It's pretty neat software. I've had it for 3 years. It was $200 or $300. It's pretty cool. So I just want to go with you. I'm going to include these links in the description. There'll be a Ledger link. As soon as my Trezor affiliate membership gets approved, there'll be a Trezor link. There's an LPAL link. There's some other wallets that I haven't had a chance to look at, like the Kobo Wallet, I think is what it's called. But I will put those links in the description if you'd like to purchase one. This video is kind of like for my customers that buy cryptocurrency from me and don't know what kind of wallet to get, where to get one, how much to spend on one, and that sort of thing. So my first wallet was a Ledger wallet, and you can go to Ledger.com and you'll come up with the Ledger website. Now I'll give you my affiliate link in the description, so if you scroll down and press see more, you'll see the link and you'll get a discount, I believe. Now, this here is the Ledger Nano S, as in Samuel, and this is the Ledger Nano X, as in X-Men. And this one, which I don't have too much experience with and don't know anyone that owns one, is, I guess, supposed to be the top-line Ledger wallet. And so, the most important thing, is that you keep your crypto safe. You use the wallet correctly, and you find one that has a software that you think is user-friendly, and everybody has their opinions on that. So I would recommend Ledger and CryptoDad. The guy's name is Rex Kinsley. If you don't want to buy from my affiliate link, buy from his. He's got great videos on Ledger wallets, the X and the S. He knows what he's doing. He's an honest. He's a really good guy. So if you're interested in using the Ledger, that's going to be your chosen wallet, then definitely watch those videos at CryptoDad. He also does once a week he does a live Q&A for an hour and a half. Some other wallets, and I have the software pulled up for the Exodus wallet, and this is compatible with the Trezor and the Trezor 1 and the Trezor T. You can modify this with devices. You can sync it with your mobile phone, which is the next best thing to a hardware key. It's very similar to using a mobile phone to approve your login or your cryptocurrency or fiat sending transactions when you want to subtract from your account. I believe on all the hardware wallets, you will have to enter your wallet to actually make the transaction happen. So you can sync it with your mobile if you don't have a hardware wallet right now, and you just gotta do it that way, and you'll get an authenticator code from Google or off the app or OTP auth, and you'll have to put in the code that you receive on your phone when you want to send, receive money, or log into your wallet. The Trezor Bridge is for the Trezor 1 or Trezor T. It's a hardware wallet. It's a device that you hold separately from your phone.
Power
and it's much like a phone, except that it's function specific in that it only has one use, and that's to interact with your Exodus.io wallet, which you can download from Exodus.io. And personally, I prefer the Exodus wallet format, and I'll show you the Ledger format. This is the Ledger Live. This is the latest update. I just updated it 5 or 10 minutes ago. I don't keep a lot of money in here because I don't like to type the send and receive and login codes all the time for a couple dollars here and a couple dollars there. I suppose if I had more than a couple hundred, I'd take it seriously. But and that's the portfolio. It'll tell you your wallets that you have and your accounts. You can view these accounts, their balances and stuff. It's a legacy wallet, by the way. If you want to get a legacy address or a legacy wallet in your Ledger Live, now this is an important tip that people don't realize. Now, I'm old school, okay? So I've been in this crypto business since 2011 when I purchased 478 Bitcoin between February 8th and June 3rd of 2011. And, I'm old school. I don't like change. I don't like new things. I like to keep with what works. So the legacy type addresses worked, and that's what Satoshi Nakamoto designed the Bitcoin cryptocurrency to be operated on. Now that is an algorithm or a mathematical equation or whatever that has to do with the address, how it's derived, how it's transmitted and sent, and how it functions. There's a new one called SegWit, S-E-G-W-I-T, that claims cheap processing fees and better, workability. But as far as I'm concerned, that's from a third party. And that's not the way Bitcoin was intended to use. So if you have a Ledger Wallet, what I recommend you do is I'd recommend you go to your Google Chrome or Google Chrome compatible web browser by Mozilla like CryptoTab or Google Chrome and download the Ledger Nano S app, which I think I already have installed. And there it is, Ledger Wallet Bitcoin. You can get that on any Chrome compatible browser like Google Chrome or CryptoTab, or maybe the Brave browser. I'm not sure if that's Google Chrome compatible, but basically Google Chrome is the end of information on your computer. It's all cloud-based. All the functions you ever need a computer for are on Google Chrome. So if you find yourself doing too many odd things or wasting your time on your PC, not being productive, try using something like Chromium OS. Anyway, that's besides the point. But so if you create a wallet through the Ledger Wallet Bitcoin app on Google Chrome, it creates the wallet in a legacy format. If you create a Bitcoin wallet through your Ledger app, now these are both the same type of thing. It's just this one only accesses Bitcoin and is only Ledger specific, whereas the Ledger Live app has all the functions. So if you want to just hold Bitcoin, it's a pretty good wallet to do it with. And consider you could bring your Ledger Nano S to any part of the world, go to the library, get on your Google Chrome web browser, and download this app and safely and securely transfer or receive or operate your Bitcoin account. So furthermore, this Ledger Wallet Bitcoin makes your wallet legacy compatible. If you do it, you create your Bitcoin wallet in Ledger Live, it is a SegWit wallet. So what I recommend doing, and I recommend legacy addresses, we don't need the transaction fee to be any cheaper. It's already dirt cheap. Like a penny or two, you can transfer $1 million, So 5 cents or a nickel isn't a big deal. We need cheaper transactions. And, we want to put money there in the Bitcoin community so people can mine their coins and make their money. So this is a Ledger wallet, and it'll be a legacy style. What you do is you create the wallet with Ledger Wallet Bitcoin. And I'll give you an example of how it pulls up. I usually don't use this app because I only have 274 Satoshi, a unit of Bitcoin. So anyway, we won't pull it up, it's taking too long. And then download your Ledger Live software and import the Bitcoin account. As you see here, as I've done, it is in a legacy format. So keep in mind, if you create your Bitcoin with the Google Chrome Bitcoin app, it will be legacy format. And if you create your Bitcoin wallet in Ledger Live, it will be SegWit. I prefer legacy. That's just my personal opinion. Why change something when it works, If it works, don't change it. She's a pretty girl, isn't she? I met her one time. She's really remarkable. So as I was talking about, this is the Ledger Live software, and this is the Exodus software. There are some other wallets, such as, now this is a website that is compatible with Ledger, so it's you don't really know about that unless you're holding Tron or something else. It's like where the keys are kept online, kind of, but you still use your Ledger to use it. It's just a different Ledger Live type app. If you want to stick with Ledger Live, Google Chrome. So I wanted to show you this wallet, and I'll have a link in the description for the purchase of this wallet, and to show more in the description. I'm not sure how long this video is, only have 15 minutes. And this I would recommend is probably the most secure wallet that I've come across so far. I think that if you have a considerable amount of money, $1,000, $2,000, I don't know what you keep $1 million on and stuff, but even a few hundred or a few thousand, this is a good wallet. And as you can see, it's made very well. It's tamper resistant. It's tamper-proof. When you open the case, it destroys the information on the device. If you do the wrong password, it'll freeze the device. It doesn't connect to the internet. It doesn't go on the internet at all. It works strictly on QR code communication between the Untitled Titan and your Android or Apple phone. So if you wanted to deposit, send, or if you wanted to put your account information on the LPAL, you would turn it on, and it doesn't have a charger. You turn it on after it's charged, and you would use the camera on the LPAL to scan a series of QR codes generated by your iPhone or your Android phone. And those QR codes be generated by an LPAL Titan app you download on Google Play or the Apple iStore. Once you've downloaded that app to your Android or iPhone, you open it and you'll choose Sync Wallet, and it'll present a QR code on your phone. The LPAL wallet will view the QR code with its camera, and it will download and sync your wallet settings, such as your cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. And that's how you put your wallet on there. After you've done that, if you want to send money, you would have to tell your LPAL you want to send it, and the LPAL will present a series of QR codes on its display, and your cell phone would read those QR codes, and then it would say send or not, and you would choose send. So the only vulnerability I see in the LPAL Titan is with the hacking of QR codes, which I don't think is a very big problem. I'm not sure how that works. You would have to get some software on your LPAL that would do that. There's no connection to the internet. I don't see a malicious QR code being scanned by LPAL. This is about the only way you can input information into it, other than using the non-internet connected display while you're going through your accounts or whatever. And not only is it an excellent way to not hook up to the internet, and everybody carries a phone, so you can have your LPAL in your phone with you. It's not a big deal. It's not item specific or obvious about what it is. It kind of looks like a phone, so that's not too bad. And here it said it's air-gapped, anti-tamper, and trustless trust. I was really impressed with the LPAL when I saw it on YouTube. Now here's another wallet that I just remembered, and here it is under Kobo.com, and you can download Exodus at exodus.io, Ledger at ledger.com, and LPAL at ELLIPAL.com. I believe LPAL.com, right? Okay, so here's the Kobo wallet, and I haven't really viewed this wallet or seen too much about it, but I've found a very popular wallet, but I think it's worth taking a look at. And if you just want to go your own route and choose your own wallet, then you can get a Kobo if you want as well. So I think that's a really good wallet too, and I'll be sure to include the purchase and download link in the description. If you are not wanting to buy a hardware wallet but you have a USB flash drive, I would recommend downloading Electrum Bitcoin wallet, installing it on your flash drive, and password protecting the wallet. And then, your private keys and your wallet and your information isn't kept on the computer.